See, yeah. Okay.
What's going on?
We're about to head towards where all those other bikes was. All right, go ahead. Nothing.
I want problems always.
Another day in the back roads. We didn't really try to get no crazy back roads footage, but I mean, we're just out here still riding. Jay got new pegs to solve his problem, but it actually developed a different problem, whereas his foot was resting on the brake. Since you can clearly see where the pegs used to mount this high, now they're that much lower. So his foot was resting on the brake. I always notice that out of people. I see their brake lights be on, and this just so happened it was resting on it enough. He kept thinking something was going on with the bike. What it was, he was getting ABS pulse and chatter because his rear wheel was skidding going through corners. He felt like the bike was super soft, but it wasn't. It was actually because it had brake leverage on it. It was pushing the suspension down and extending his wheelbase, which made the bike feel like crap. I jumped on it and rode it, and because I have little feet, I keep my shit up high. I didn't experience it. What? And as he was talking about what he was doing, like what he's experiencing, he kept saying he's getting chatter, and I'm like, well, I know this bike does have engine brake settings, and maybe he put it on a setting that had like tremendous engine brake. So that's what I was thinking, but then, he kind of came to the conclusion, like, you know what, I think my foot's rested on the brake, and that's what it was. So now we've kind of been out here all afternoon, but now we're kind of just getting into the groove, and this is really what the testing session theory is about, because we find out things that we're doing wrong or the bike needs changing. Me, myself personally, on this bike, everything seems good. I just need body position improvements. These stomp grip pads are insane on my jeans. It feels like it's gonna rip them, but it grabs really, like, you know what I'm saying, really aggressively. We're having a good time. Really not much to say, just much to do. Back to riding. Cocked and ready to fire. Take it right here. All right, sun's going down. It's actually right about there. If we get out of here, we'll still have a nice sunny summer day, but these roads are starting to get cold. I did for sure tuck my front end on a run. I don't know if the camera was still going. I've been having an SD card problem with this camera all day, and it may or may not have caught it. No, the 360 was going.
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
okay, I got the 360 on the side of my face. Just on a leisure roll back, really not doing much at all. I think it had a little bit stronger right-handers on the way back than it did left. Yeah, we're good. Thanks. How you doing? Good?
Good, yeah.
All right, awesome.
Right.
So 54 degrees, lean angle ain't bad. We weren't even trying, honestly. Both of us have about the same tire use. There's literally, I have more fingernail than is available. That's pretty good for street use. We've pretty much figured what we're gonna figure out here in the back road. The rest is just us having fun now. Damn, that thing is getting yarded. But the interesting thing though is the front. I didn't think we were using that much front, but I mean, things happen when you're having a blast. So really cool. I guess we'll get out the mountain, see what the rest of the day has.
Yeah, took a minute to get in the pocket, but
Yeah.
you got in the pocket, the flow came.
Well, all things considered, at least we didn't leave before we got in the pocket.
Right.
Well, nice fresh air.
Oh, yeah.
Good weekday outing. Let's get back on the joints.